As we wrap up the mowing season and the temperature starts to drop, it's time to think about winterizing your lawnmower and yard equipment. Doing this now can save you time, money, and frustrations when the spring rolls around. So let's go over why it's important and how to do it right. First off, why winterize? Well, leaving your lawnmower and yard equipment without proper care over the winter can lead to issues like rust, clogged fuel lines, and dead batteries. These problems can be expensive to fix and might even shorten the lifespan of your equipment. Winterizing ensures that your gear is ready to go when you need it next spring. Let's start with your lawnmower. The first step is to drain the fuel tank. Stale fuel can gum up the carburetor and cause starting problems in the spring. You can either run the mower until it's out of fuel, or if you prefer to keep the fuel in the tank, add a fuel stabilizer. Just pour the stabilizer into the tank, run the engine for a few minutes to circulate it through the system, and you're good to go. Next up, change the oil. Old oil can become thick and sludgy, which isn't good for your engine. Drain the old oil out and replace it with fresh oil. This helps keep the engine parts lubricated and protected during the off-season. While you're at it, take the time to remove and clean your mower blade. Use a brush to clean off any grass and debris, and check the blade for any signs of damage or dullness. If it's dull, now's a great time to sharpen it so it's ready to cut cleanly when the spring arrives. Don't forget to inspect and remove the spark plug. If it's dirty, clean it or replace it with a new one. A clean air filter ensures your engine gets the proper airflow, which is essential for it to run efficiently. Finally, give your mower a good cleaning. Wipe down the exterior to remove any dirt, grass, and debris. This helps prevent rust and keeps your mower looking sharp. Store it in a dry, sheltered area like your garage or shed to protect it from the elements over the winter. Now let's talk about your other yard equipment, like trimmers and leaf blowers. The process is similar. Drain the fuel or add stabilizer, clean them up, and store them properly. For electrical equipment, make sure the batteries are removed and stored in a cool, dry place. By winterizing your mower and yard equipment, you're taking a few simple steps to ensure everything stays in top shape during the off-season. It's a small investment of time that pays off big when the spring rolls around and you're ready to tackle your yard again. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.